Today's major concerns are, first, economic and social inequality and injustice between the affluent and developing countries and within countries. Secondly, the anxiety whether human wisdom will prevail over what can only be called a death wish, in which the desire to dominate expresses itself in countless ways, the most dangerous being the armament race. And thirdly, the need to protect this, our only earth, from human rapacity and exploitation. Only recently have we awakened to the awareness of ancient truths regarding our own utter dependence on the balance of nature and its resources. These enormous challenges cannot be met only by some sections, however advanced they may be, while others pull in different directions or watch apathetically. The effort has to be a universal one, conscious and concerted, considering no one too small to contribute. The effort must embrace all nationalities and all classes, regardless of religion, caste, or sex. There is no time to lose, and it involves a tremendous task of educating. We want to walk together and in step with all others. But if men hesitate, should not women show the way? And if one had to choose one quality needed for leadership, what would it be? Liking people is, I think, the most necessary quality. Only if you truly like them can you have the patience to deal with people of all types. No time spent on people is ever a waste. What takes just a moment for you to do could mean so much to someone for whom you do it. I love birds and mountains and pictures, and yet all of these cannot vie with the deep joy of bringing some small measure of happiness to a human being. Ashwin, remember, there are two kinds of people, those who do the work and those who take the credit. Try to be in the first group. There is much less competition.